Being an NP student is a full-time job on top of, well, your actual job and life in general. I know firsthand how stressful it can be to juggle everything, especially when you add clinical placements to the mix. And let's not even talk about the cost. If you're feeling the pinch, today's video is for you. I'm sharing how to save money on clinical placements with NPHub's promo codes and discounts. And yes, it's as good as it sounds. So grab a coffee and let's break it down. First off, can we agree that every dollar counts when you're in school? Between tuition, student loans, and everything else, the cost of securing clinical placement can feel like the cherry on top of a very expensive sundae. That's exactly why NPHub offers discounts and flexible payment options. They know the struggle is real and want to make things as budget friendly as possible. One of their biggest discounts right now is 100 promo. It takes $100 off your deposit. That's $100 you can use for other school expenses or, let's be honest, for something that helps you survive this crazy journey. Let me walk you through how to actually use one of these codes. It's super easy. Head to nphub.com and start searching for preceptors by specialty and location. Their site lets you filter options so you're not wasting time scrolling through irrelevant matches. Once you find the perfect preceptor, log in your rotation dates, clinical hours, and any other details. When you hit checkout, you'll see a box for a promo code. Enter 100 promo, click apply, and boom, you just saved $100 on your deposit. After that, a placement coordinator reaches out within 24 hours to get your paperwork started. It's quick, it's easy, and it's one less thing to stress about. Okay, let's pause for a second. Why is NPHub even worth it? I'll tell you why. They do more than just find you a preceptor. They handle all the paperwork. They have a huge network of vetted preceptors across 10 specialties, and they offer flexible payment plans. Plus, they have a 100 refund guarantee. If something falls through on their end, you get your money back. And that kind of peace of mind is priceless when you're dealing with deadlines and graduation requirements. Oh, and they are fast. Like, find your preceptor match in under 20 minutes fast. Compare that to weeks or even months of searching on your own. It's a no-brainer. I could go on, but let me share what other NP students have said about using NPHub.
In my nurse practitioner program, I was going to have to sit out a semester.
The challenge of finding a preceptor is real.
We have to set our clinical placements months in advance. It's difficult to get someone else to really commit to that as well for you. I ended up sitting out for 6 months.
When I did a postmaster's program, I committed to a school where students had to find their own preceptors. I didn't have any connections. It began to feel pretty frantic that I wasn't going to be able to finish my program on time.
Some schools provide preceptors. My school didn't. So I used a preceptor company called NPHub.
That quality training came from NPHub.
And NPHub.
NPHub.
You guys had the best reviews, so I went on. Like 20 minutes later, I had a preceptor, months and months and months. I couldn't find anybody.
Almost immediately, I was able to find a preceptor.
Semester after semester after semester, trying to find a quality clinical.
It was a seamless process. Like you can do payment plans.
I have done 3 rotations with NPHub. I'm going to do 1 more to finish my program on time.
I got all the paperwork I needed within 3 days. And, it just saved me a lot of stress and saved my family a lot of stress. And I'm very happy I did it.
These stories are just a few examples of how NPHub really delivers on its promises. So if you're ready to make your life easier, here's what you do. Go to nphub.com and start your search. Use 100 promo at checkout to save $100 and let them handle the rest. Like, seriously, let them take some weight off your shoulders. You have enough to focus on, like passing exams, and maybe, just maybe, catching some sleep once in a while. Alright, MPs, that's it for today. If you've used NPHub before, or if you have any questions about their discounts, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips like this. Good luck securing your clinical placements.